suppose me have to run out. What cause I can't run?
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to show. Should I play out there? Oh, see when I run out of that chair there. Them say when in trouble take your picnic shot fit ya. Yeah, tell you.
Well, cause regardless of everything they might say about this man, he make you walk and we spend a bag of money on therapist and it never work out.
Well, to be honest, still no, cause I have to give the therapist some credit said because she first put me on my foot to stand up, so the money not going in vain.
Well, that's true still. So, you know you back from her?
No, you know. You need to bother reach out to her enough to tell her the truth. Cause after she see progress and thing, I can't believe say a little situation like that makes she cut and never link up back.
Well, if you tell you the truth, you know, them type of people they can't do toxic environment, you know. So you can't even blame Marcus.
Nah, blame her, bro. You see me? But at the end of the day, she a professional. And that come with the territory. So she see progress, she have to work on that, my youth. She can't just get up and cut. She that weak. That means that she's not ready for her line of work then.
Well, the important part is their walk again. You see, so I'm gonna make it my main part of duty. A morning time we just bust some walk and them thing there and get your cardio up and running again. You see it?
Nah, man. That good, man. You and Tony and Donna do enough already. So I don't want you stress yourself and think about nothing else. Just go and do your business. Me deal with that myself. You see me?
You're there for you get shot. In a bed can't move. Till you can bust a local move. Till you can stand up. Till you can walk. So I'm not gonna leave you halfway, bro. We are continue the journey. And me know you. You not get up and walk a morning time. Somebody have to dead there with you.
Oh, sir. So yeah, I said no. Me have to pay for being my therapist.
You don't have to pay me. What you need to do, I get up and walk with you a morning time. You see it? And if you not go take no talk from me, you have to go take talk from T.
I will tea though.
Me that make him know say I have to do cardio for him foot. I know him on road already. So if him not take talk from me, I have to take talk from T.
Him try do it. Babe, the dark chain and the front grey open. When you not even hear when I come in. You know that's a no-no, right?
You know, sir, I gotta remember. She would have did some only bad things on him there. But me I'm sorry, but I'm sorry.
But I lock him up after so. No bother.
Alright, I'm sorry about the sleeps.
So, you make a walk outside? Yeah, move up, man. We so have to start with TikTok.
What?
TikTok.
But man, no TikTok, man. Because TikTok you talk about. Like, Cathy, they want to go TikTok.
What is wrong with TikTok? You so have to start the video with me.
Last time you come about whining business, now you come with TikTok. You know, say you get from bad to worse. Man, think you laugh. They find that way.
Yeah, but do it.
No, I do not know.
Yeah.
Babes, you know somebody want to talk to you all along? I have a brilliant idea. What do you think about keeping a cookout every month?
Every month. So about the shop?
So now that me I say, instead of we have a day at the shop on a daily basis, a killer off yourself, we could have keep something every month and have a solid profit in that.
I don't want to get in on the business still, but if you could keep a cookout, it's best, yeah. Keep it every 3 months. A month too quick, bro.
I agree with quick. The 1 month thing is too fast. The 3 month can work. So, what people make out a cookout?
We are talking about it. Enough people live off a cookout and run robin. It's a good look, it can work.
I really thought, man, can make a decent piece of food after that. And then, in the meantime, you can figure out what to do with the shop. Said speak, and we still can't let it so.
Well, that's something to think about. Because the people in Boya really look forward to the shop. So, That 3 month thing they can work.
Yeah, man. And people rate on you know. So from you know, say cook out them and come support them. So do it, man. It's a good luck. You hear that, cuz?
Well, sounds like a plan because me really never want at the shop, so.
Well, at least you have something for work in shop. We at least maybe 3 months, but you have to go figure out something.
Yeah, that makes sense. Give me a second, then it's not water.
Oh, do something for me to tea, please. Pass the shoes on me there a bit.
Alright.
And bring water for me, please.
So like how that of them they back on the block. The community active again.
Now that me I tell you, cuz. So I'll cook out something where you come now at the right formula.
Yeah.
Cause the people may come in every 4 months, you know. So you have to just get the cook out right on the timing.
No, that sound like a plan.
Yo, be a big body white girl over there.
Eh? What about this? And this? I want to get you for stomach that, you know the way that, you know the... Cause, as me da say, the boy diss me. I'm gonna have to my box, cause I'm not go chef school, my idiot.
Big song. And big song.
I never I him that about it.
My lad, oh yeah, do. You fling me on the bus and you see some fuck them no good.
First I did Jada, now the big body white girl. I have my eye on you.
You mean I say, oh, just stretch my legs a little bit, you know. So, I'll go to the road.
Yes, cause that sound good, yeah man. I mean I tell you say, thing of active. You understand me?
I know you're scared sometimes, don't know if you're wrong or right. You've been doing things you never thought you'd do, taking it day by day. It seems like you lost your way. Even when you win, it still feels like you lose. I wish that you could see what I see. You're so much stronger than what you think. No sleep, cause if you do, then you dream nightmares, but I'll be there for everything. Just think of me when your heart is racing at the speed of light, and you feel like you got nowhere else to go. No, I'll hold you till the sun comes in the morning light. Yeah, I'll keep you safe, I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go.